What's going on? We're trading the Euro US or US dollar Japanese yen right now. This is the new platform on RBOptions. It looks pretty sleek, no lag so far. Right now I'm trading the US dollar on this next hour, and here's a chart of it. It started right where it closed, pretty much gapped way up, and this could be the top. So, let's get in here. We're gonna go put. Hold on. Oh, here we go. Specify the trade amount. We're going to start at 125. We're going to pick 23 GMT, so that's in 30 minutes from now. Percent return 75. We think it's going to be lower, so we'll go put. We will apply, approve, and we're in our first position here on the new platform. And we need this to trade down in the next 30 minutes from this 100.256. Let's see. Oh, okay, and here's my position right here. This looks like it highlights green or red depending on if it's in or out of the money. Right now I'm 1 point out of the money. And you can see the start time, the expiration, the investment amount, and the payout. Right now it's out of the money. So this is our first trade of the evening, and we're not trading on Nadex at the moment because we blew the freaking account balance on a stupid trade. So we're doing this for a while. So let's stand by. We'll see if this trade ends up in the money. Alright, 5 minutes left till 6 p.m. and we're in the money. Look at this green. Our rate, current rate is 240. 239. Our entry rate was 254. We got in right at this top here, almost close to the top of that opening bar, and it's trading right down off of that. So we'll see if this ends up being in the money, and we get ourselves back into the $24,000 range. Here we go. We got 30 seconds left. It's at 102.52. Oh crap, I think it just went out of the money. It's popping up here and down. 251. We need it under 254. We got 20 seconds left. Oh shoot. 259. 251. 248. 59. 60. 10 seconds left. 256. Oh my goodness, that was close. It looks like it was out of the money, as this is slowly driving up. Let's see here. Let's double check. Wait, when was my expiry? 23. Let's see. This is the new platform, so I'm still getting used to it here. Let's click on my portfolio. No. Oh. I gotta log in. I haven't put in my I logged out a while ago. Or logged in a while ago. Sometimes it happens. Hold on. Alright, we're back in here. Looks like we were out of the money by 2 points. 254 was our entry. We lost that one. Okay. And look at that. Get some momentum upwards there. We're gonna wait. We may sell this pop here on the next hour. Let's see. Let's get into our trade. No lag, no lag. Yep. We'll go the next hour here. Oh shoot. Pick our risk. We're gonna increase it. Now we're going up to 350. We're going to put, apply, and prove. So if we get a profit there, we'll get about $260 profit, cover our $125 loss that we just had, and make a profit. So now our strike rate is 292. As you can see, it's right here around 1.3. It broke past this high on the initial bar, but I'm counting on a swing down. Now really, I should wait for these 3 exponential moving averages to get above the 25 before I look for a swing down. But I think since I got an hour, I gave myself plenty of time to get in the money. So you see our entry rate, strike rate 292, the current rate here, and we'll see if we make a profit. Stand by. Okay, we got some movement. Made another way move up higher. So we can do one of two things. Either just wait and just let this position be way out of the money. We can see if this goes up to our R1 pivot point and then enter another put and scale. And this is just like if you're trading anything else. Say you bought a stock and it went way down. You could either buy more, close the position for a loss, or that's about it, or do something with options. In any trading, there's ways to manage a position. So here, I'm seeing how much energy this has, and I'm going to sell it short here with the bigger trade. But I want to make sure I get in at the top, so just wait. Looks like 4.0. Looks like 100. Oh yeah, it's 100.4 is my next line of entry. Stand by. So as you can see here, I'm just setting up the position. It's going to be a put. I got 900 at risk, and I'm just watching the price move here. I want this to hit 4.0 before I enter. Let's see here. Alright, it looks like this is run out of gas. We're going to put it here at 355. Or apply that. Position approved. So there we got in right here. Here's both our positions. Both my positions. And we got 30 minutes left till both of these expire. And here's our rates at 100.292 and 3.55. I did want to wait till 4.0, but I felt like it was really struggling to move higher on this next 10-minute bar. So we'll wait and see. 30 more minutes now. If this $900 trade does go in the money, it will cover the 350 loss and 125 loss we had before, and we'll be profitable. And I might start another trading session going into the 8 o'clock hour, testing my just honing in my skills. So stand by for the expiry of these trades. Alright, last entry here on this hour. We got 30 seconds until we can. It's at 382, which is close to my 0.40 target. And I want in there. I already have my risk set up at 2,223, which will give me a return of about 1,600, and that covers the losses of this 900, the 350, and the 125, and gives me about a $300 profit. So we are structured here and trying to make some profit. 15 more minutes till expiry on this hour. Well, look at this. We got our drop. Sold right off, and it's almost putting our... Oh, look at that. This position is almost in the money, too. Now, that would be a $1,500 swing in profit. That would take my $300 profit and put it into an $1,800 profit. This is what can happen sometimes when you scale in put options. It's not guaranteed, but sometimes this happens when you get the swing. And the swing happens usually when the 3, 6, and 9. Right now I just have the 6 and 9. No, this is the... I do have all three. The 3, 6, and 9 exponential moving averages come way above the 25 simple. Usually it means a swing. So we still got 5 minutes left here on November 17th, 6:55 p.m. But if this yen does trade below 355, that's going to be really nice. Let's just stand by here. We'll see what we got. All right. Look at that. Look at this bar. How much time? 30 seconds? Oh my goodness. Oh, it was way below my middle position, but no, it just popped up. If this is below 355, we just made an extra 1,300 bucks in 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 52! Oh, it's toying with me. It's 1 point. 1 point down. Oh, Didn't get it. Look at that. Barely traded 1 point above. Oh, and look at this drop now. So everything's expired. Well, now look at 337. Jiminy Christmas. Well, that hour, let's check out the positions. I made a net profit of 300. Oh, look at that! They gave me the expiry. They gave me the. I got 1 point below that drop that it hit literally the last second. Look at 354. My entry is 355. Oh my goodness. Let's refresh this and let's. Oh my goodness. Almost 26K we just made. Whew. So here's our position so far. We lost on a 125 and a 350 put. And then the 900 and the 2,223 both came in the money. We scaled all the way up this mountain here. And we finally, our last two puts that we entered here and here were both in the money. Look at that drop! Look at this swing down there. Now that was a good entry put right here. That was the best signal. That was my fourth trade. So if you were getting my signals to your email, you would have got each entry and you see how good the fourth trade was. And look at that drop. Look at that just come down. So we're making money every day. We're going to trade again in the next hour. I'll try and predict some more. This is smarthelping.com. Check it out for strategies, signals, and the best platforms. And this is the new platform we've just been using. It's working like a charm.